Hello everyone, my name is Supakit Dinoy and my nickname is Happy. I'm a first year student majoring in Innovation Business Management at Kasetsart University Kamphangsam campus. I come from Got Samui, Surat Thani. It is beautiful Iceland in southern Thailand and I really enjoy living there. In my free time, I like playing game a lot, watching movie, and listening to music song because they help me relax. My favorite food are burger and fried chicken. I know they are not healthy food, but I really enjoy eating them. I'm a friendly person and I enjoy meeting new people. I hope we can become a good friend, study together, and help each other throughout our university life. Thank you for listening. Nice to meet you all.